Hello everyone, this is Lifestyle Gardener. Today I'm gonna be making homemade green seasoning. Don't worry about making notes while I'm showing you how I make it. Near the end of the video, I will show you my recipe. I wrote it down so that you guys can see it. As you can see in the coffee grinder, I put some pimento seed in it, and then I decided to grind it up.
I don't know, and give me your freedom. Whoa, you let me to pieces.
I was trying to show you guys what it looks like afterwards, but you cannot really see what it looks like.
Whoa, you let me to pieces. Yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium.
So next I grind up some coriander seed.
The limit of love is endless, I know. Just do what you want with me. Yeah, I want it all. Could care less.
This brush really helps to remove the powder better.
Some would say I'm insane in the right in a way, but I just love to play in your fun and your games.
So next I blend up some parsley flakes.
I don't know, and give me your freedom. Whoa, you let me to pieces. Yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium. Life is so easy. Whoa, you let me to pieces. Yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium.
Then I grind up some dry oregano.
And give me your freedom. Whoa, yeah, to pieces. Yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium. Life is so easy. Whoa, you let me to pieces. Yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium.
I had to strain some of the oregano stem, so I used a strainer to do that.
Your madness, it's so incredibly beautiful. Oh, you shine like gold, so selfless too.
I did the same thing for the dry thyme.
Some would say I'm insane in the right in a way, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know, and give me your freedom. Whoa, you let me to pieces. Yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium. Life is so easy. Whoa, you let me to pieces. Yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium. The limit of love is endless, I know. Just do what you want with me. Yeah, I want it all. Could care less the cost.
So this is what all of the dry ingredients look like so far.
Some would say I'm insane.
I was shaking them to make sure they're all mixed together, but this process is not necessary at all.
I was born. Take me somewhere.
So afterwards I got 3 peppers and I make sure I wear my gloves. Please make sure you wear gloves while doing this process. otherwise you're gonna regret not doing that. So I removed the seeds from the peppers, and I'll show you how I did that. These peppers are spicy, so that's why I'm telling you that. If you cannot find any of these peppers, then you can use whatever hot peppers that you can find. So one and two things I learned about green seasoning. One of the things I learned about green seasoning is that most Caribbean countries have their version kind of green seasoning, and every household has their favorite ingredients that they like to put in their green seasoning. The reason why I want to steam can or preserve the green season longer than storing it in the fridge or in the freezer is that it's more convenient to have a whole bunch of them. Like you have different hot sauce, and you know, like once the hot sauce is finished, you know you have another one waiting along. I know you can buy these green seasoning in the store, but what I tell you, the benefit of making it yourself, you know exactly what ingredients is inside them. So next I use some turmeric powder. It's better you use the root, but I didn't have the root, so I'm using the powder.
Life is so easy.
As you can see on the counter, I cut up all of those vegetables. They look so beautiful. I didn't think I needed to show you guys of me cutting all of that up. I wrote the recipe down near the end of the video, so you know exactly what was in that bowl. So now I'm getting ready to blend all of these ingredients together. I make sure I wear the gloves. The gloves is very important.
I give you my everything. Some would say I'm insane and they're right in a way, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know and give me your freedom. To pieces, yeah, I need it. Once you're pandemonium, life is so easy. Whoa, you love me to pieces.
So before squeezing the key lime juice in the blender, I make sure I remove the seeds first. Next, I measure half a cup of lemon juice concentrate.
Once you're pandemonium, life is so easy. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Once you're pandemonium. Oh baby, I love your madness. It's so incredibly beautiful. Oh, you shine like gold, so selfless to all, and wild like an animal. Some would say I'm insane and they're right in a way, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born.
The Vitamix blender stick help the vegetables to go down better. That way I don't need to put as much liquid. But if you don't have it, you may have to maybe add some water or more vinegar or more lemon juice concentrate.
Yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium.
So I decided to put half a cup of vinegar in the blender. So that's what I'm doing right now.
The limit of love is endless. I know. Just do what you want with me. Yeah, I want it all. Could care less the cost. I give you my everything. Some would say I'm insane in the right in a way, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know and give me your freedom. Whoa, you love me to pieces. Yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium. Life is so easy. Whoa, you love me to pieces. Yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium. And give me your freedom. Whoa, yeah, to pieces. Yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium. Life is so easy. Whoa, you love me to pieces. Yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium. Oh baby, I love your madness. It's so incredibly beautiful. Oh, you shine like gold, so selfless to all, and wild like an animal. Some would say I'm insane in the right in a way, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know and give me your freedom. Whoa, you love me to pieces. Yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium. Life is so easy. Whoa, you love me to pieces. Yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium. The limit of love is endless. I know. Just do what you want with me. Yeah, I want it all. Could care less the cost. baby, I love your madness. It's so incredibly beautiful. Oh, you shine like gold, so selfless to all, and wild like an animal. Some would say I'm insane in the right and away, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know, and give me your freedom. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium.
Ingredients together. I pour some in the bottles and I'm getting ready to process them. So before I did that, I made sure I wipe each bottle at the top with some vinegar to make sure it's sealed while I am steam canning it. I steam can them for 20 minutes. Then I leave it in the steamer for 5 minutes before removing it. If you don't want to steam can it or water bath them, you can freeze them, but make sure you leave enough space between it so that the liquid can expand without breaking. If you don't do that, it will break. Or you can store it in the fridge for 1 month if you don't want to do any of that.
Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Want your pandemonium.
This is a recipe that I came up with. There's many ways to make green seasoning. So this is a recipe for the green seasoning. Hopefully you can read my handwriting. So I tried my green seasoning on the chicken on the plate. I marinate it and bake it in the oven, a whole chicken. So this is just a piece of the chicken here. I use a green seasoning with other ingredients. Of course I put garlic powder, onion powder, more salt, and I don't remember everything that I put, but the point of having a green seasoning is to put it in everything that you're cooking or in whatever you want to cook. It does not go good by itself. It's just to complement your food, to give it more flavored. And if you want to not put the turmeric root or turmeric powder inside it, you don't have to put it, but it's turmeric powder is good for you. So it doesn't taste good by itself, but when you put it with other stuff, it makes the food taste even better, and it helps give your meat a beautiful color.